Gross. Alright, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend, the skunk? Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Cry like a baby? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. Got a big cat from the jungle. Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you get down? Good. Well, that also kind of sounds like Rocky Top. Good. Do you happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good job.